Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be notified on our next lesson. Then, like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is using sets to solve problems. But before we proceed, let me give you some information about His Highness Sheikh Mohammad bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces. Do you know that Sheikh Mohammed chaired the Abu Dhabi Education Council? It was established in 2005 so that it will be improve and implement approaches for cultivating both public, private, and higher education. He also had the Emirate Center for Strategic Studies and Research to further academic engagement with the economic, socio-political, and security issues that are relevant to the country. He supported the learning system to raise the advancement of the UAE's technology and fortified the principle of modernization by supporting events such as the National Science, Technology, and Innovation Festival. He also founded the Mohammed bin Zayed International Robotics Challenge to transform the UAE into a regional hub for research into robotics and autonomous systems. Under the directives of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed, has launched an educational initiative titled Moral Education to be included as a subject in school curricula and courses. The Moral Education Initiative was undertaken in cooperation with the Ministry of Education, the Abu Dhabi Education Council, and other relevant institutions. The subject comprises the 5 key elements: ethics, personal and community development, cultural and heritage, civic education, and rights and responsibilities. These 5 key elements will surely enrich the level of education in the UAE to make it identical with the uppermost global standards. According to Sheikh Mohammed, the formation of a nation remains accountable on how well the nation keeps and safeguards its values and morals, regardless of the level of accomplishment and superiority it has achieved. Sheikh Mohammed, like his dad, Sheikh Zayed, do care a lot about the future generation. That is why he did and worked a lot of things regarding education and innovation initiatives. I do hope guys that with all the information, including the math lesson, you will be developed in the modern skills needed to compete and become productive members of the UAE community. Just don't forget to be honest, kind-hearted, and responsible like Sheikh Mohammed. May Allah always bless him. Now guys, let us move to our main lesson. We are going to solve problems using Venn diagram. Let us work on this problem so that you will be guided. Out of 45 students, 18 are taking IT club and 29 are taking sustainability club. If 12 students are taking both clubs, how many students are in neither club? Let us draw a Venn diagram and put all the elements of each set so that everything will be clear. The blue color pen represents the IT club and the green one represents the sustainability club. 12 students are taking both clubs, so we are going to put it in the overlapping area of the IT and sustainability club. 18 students are taking IT club, but there are already 12 students in the IT, so we need 6 more to make it 18. We have 29 students who are taking sustainability club, but there are already 12 students in the Sustainability Club. So we need 17 more to make it 29. To sum up all the elements in the IT Club, it is 6 plus 12. It will give us 18. And to sum up the elements in the Sustainability Club, it is 12 plus 17. It will give us 29. So the students that are in neither club is 6 plus 12 plus 17 is equal to 35 students. And the students that are in either club is 45 minus 35 is 10 students. So you can see right away that there is 10 outside the two sets. Now let us work on this longer problem. The students in the girls' department have the following characteristics. 14 girls have only long hair. 15 girls have only brown eyes. 11 girls have only straight hair. 13 girls have long hair and brown eyes. 8 girls have brown eyes and straight hair but not long. 6 girls have long hair and straight hair. 2 girls have brown eyes with long and straight hair. And 10 girls do not have brown eyes, long and straight hair. The first question is, how many girls have long hair and brown eyes? It will be very hard for us if we are not going to draw the Venn diagram. So let us draw the Venn diagram to answer each question one by one. Let us represent the long hair with the blue color, the straight hair with red color, and the brown eyes with brown color. Let us place the elements in each set one by one. The 13 girls have long hair and brown eyes. So, the long hair and brown eyes intersection is the one that I shaded. And I placed the number 13. 8 girls have brown eyes and straight hair but not long hair. So the intersection of the red circle and the brown circle will be the place where we are going to put number 8. The blue circle was excluded because it is said that the characteristic is not long hair. 6 girls have long hair and straight hair, so the intersection of the blue and red circle will be the place where we are going to put the 6. We are not going to include the brown circle because it is not written the girl has brown eyes. 2 girls have brown eyes with long hair and straight hair, so the intersection of the 3 circle will be the place where we are going to put number 2. 10 girls do not have brown eyes, long hair, and straight hair. So, number 10 will be outside the 3 circles. Now, let us move to the 14 girls that have only long hair. So, it will be placed on the circle, blue circle, without the intersection because only long hair. So, 14 will be placed on the shaded part. 15 girls have only brown eyes. Therefore, we are going to put number 15 on the shaded part without the intersection of the blue and red circle. And 11 girls have only straight hair. So, 11 will be placed on the shaded part without the intersection of the long hair and brown eyes. Only straight hair. Let us answer question number 1. How many girls have long hair and brown eyes? The intersection of the long hair, which is the blue circle, and the brown eyes, which is the brown circle, is the number of girls that have long hair and brown eyes. It is 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. On question number 2, what is the total strength of the girls' department? The total strength of the girls' department is all the elements in the Venn diagram. It is 14 plus 6 plus 2 plus 13 plus 8 plus 15 plus 11 plus 10. The total is 79 students. Now, how are we going to find the number of girls who have brown eyes and long hair? Oh, it is the same. It is the intersection of the long hair and the brown eyes. So it is 13 plus 2, it is equal to 15. What about how many girls do not have long hair? So it is the complement of long hair. Everything that is not included in the long hair set. So it is 11 plus 8 plus 15 plus 10. It will give us 44. Let us find out the number of the girls who have neither brown eyes nor long hair. All the elements that is not in the long hair and brown eyes will be the answer. So it is 11 plus 10 is equal to 21. Those are the girls with neither brown eyes nor long hair. How many girls do not have brown eyes? All the elements in the Venn diagram except the elements in the brown eyes set will be the answer. So it is 14 plus 6 plus 10 plus 11 is equal to 41. Let us find the number of girls who have either brown eyes or long hair. All the elements in the long hair set and brown eye set will be the answer. So, 14 plus 6 plus 2 plus 13 plus 15 plus 8, it will give us 58. 58 girls have either brown eyes or long hair. We can solve problems using Venn diagram if we are going to analyze very well the problem before drawing the Venn diagram. Then, we need to put all the elements that is required in each set so that everything will be clear. As what I am always telling you guys, I will not stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. Whenever you are confused on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back. Light up your way. Watch it again, step by step, closely, carefully, and I know you will get it. Our life is like a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positives. So, erase the negative, guys. Always be positive. Always believe in yourself because you can make it. I want you to discover your undefined smartness. Score high in math. Till next lesson. Bye-bye. God bless.